Another box came today. It's something from Coach. I'm really excited about this one, but I hope it turned out okay. Recently, Coach has been sending out bags that just didn't pack well, and people have been complaining about the quality. Let's see. Well, at least they put some stuff in. Pick it up. Look like this is, I believe, is the quilted Coach rope. Look like it has been packed pretty well. I mean, well wrapped. Wow. So far looks good. Don't see scratches or anything missing. A little bit crease underneath it, but it's not horrible. Still has a sticker on the feet. The flimsy thing, not sure what that is. But I believe this is Coach rope 30. I think I like this size. This is probably really well balanced compared to smaller 25 or 17. I have tried the 30, 39 at the store, but it was way too heavy, way too heavy. I thought I was going to break my arm. Maybe I need to start going to the gym if I want to get the biggest rope. Yeah, probably not happen anytime soon. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I love it.